Getting a YouTube API key is the first step to unlock powerful data for your projects. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to navigate Google Cloud Console and generate a key in just few minutes. First, open your browser and search for Google Cloud Console. Click on the first result. If this is your first time here, you will be prompted to agree the term and condition and just check box and click agree and continue. To keep things organized, we need to start a new project. Click on the Start Project here and click New Project. Give a project recognizable name like my project and hit Create. It will take a moment to create the project. Just wait a little bit. Now you can select the project from here. Now we need to tell Google which API we're going to use. So go to API and Services, click Enable API and Services. Now click Enable API and Services here. In here, you can need to search YouTube Data API. Choose the version 3. This is the latest version. Click on that. Now click Enable. This is enabling this API to our key. Once you've done that, go to Credentials and you can see Create Credential at the top. Click on that and click API key. Now you can give a name. I'm going to put YouTube here. Now in here, you can restrict this API key to, let's say, websites, IP address, other thing. But I'm just going to click Create. Voila. Now you can see your API key. You can copy the API key from here and use it in your projects. Also, if you forget your key, you can come back this page and click Show Key and retrieve the key as well. And that's it. Now you have a functional YouTube API key. If this tutorial helped you to get set up, please give our video a like and subscribe for more technical walkthroughs.